Typhoon Ophel continues to gain strength. The Typhoon Ophel continued to take a strength and started to move towards the Batanes, Taiwan area. The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA said Ophel was 650 km east of Casiguran, Aurora. The area that is in storm signal number 1 are in Isabela, Cagayan, Calayan, Mabulan Group of Islands, and Batanes. The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration stated that the packed maximum sustained winds of 150 km per hour near the center and gustiness of up to 185 km per hour, and was moving northwest at 19 km per hour. It also added Ophel is due 490 km northeast of Casiguran, Aurora, or at 410 km east-northeast of Apari, Cagayan. They added also that Typhoon Ophel will continue to enhance the southwest monsoon and bring rains over Visayas and Mindanao, particularly the western sections. For a while, there is a low-pressure area that was estimated at 510 km west of Iba, Zambales. Because of this Typhoon Ophel, it is advisable that the residents in the low-lying areas and near the mountain places to evacuate as soon as possible, because for the safeness, it is possible that it will have a flash flood and landslide. This is Anne of Synergy.